Here's how to turn on your YouTube search history. Go ahead and launch your YouTube application. Log into your specific account. Then click on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the gear icon in the top right corner. From here, select Manage All History, which is between languages and your data in YouTube. This will open a new page. Now from this tab, you can tap on saving your YouTube history, or you can directly go to the controls section, which is between the history and interactions in the top. Now under sub settings, you'll get 3 different options to include the video, to include the history of the YouTube videos you watch, searches on YouTube, and voice and audio activity. Make sure that the include your searches on YouTube is checked, and this will automatically save your YouTube search history from now, along with the videos that you watch. Likewise, you can also turn your YouTube voice and audio activity as well. Moreover, you can also go ahead and click on this Manage YouTube History option. Choose to delete or keep your history according to your preference. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.